Come to the PGA Superstore with us. They're a dog-friendly store, so we love taking Solie in here when we stop by. I love to look at the merch, and Solie was very intrigued by these gloves for some reason, but look how cute all this stuff was, and they had so much pink stuff in there, and I loved how they had this one colorful bag. I tried on some golf skirts that were on clearance because you can never have enough of these, and they were super cute, honestly. Solie decided to look for some treats in the halls, but instead we found Dad looking at golf shoes he doesn't need. And that's the end of our trip. Are you going to take your dog next time you go?